Hello students, welcome to STUDIFYSUCCESS. I am Utsav and this is lecture 3 of chapter 7 triangles of class 9. So we will start with the theorem which says angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. So firstly we will discuss what is isosceles triangle. So a triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Here in triangle ABC, two sides that is AB and AC are equal. We need to prove angle opposite to these two equal sides. That angle opposite to AB is ACB and angle opposite to side AC is ABC. So we have to prove that angle ABC and angle ACB are equal. So how we will prove that? So we are given an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equals to AC and we need to prove that angle B equals to angle C. So we will draw the bisector of A and B be the intersection of this bisector of A and BC. So what it says is we will draw a bisector of angle A. AD bisect the angle BAC. So that is these two angles are equal. Now we will use the congruency to prove angle B equals to angle C. So here what is given to us? This side is AB equals to AC. We will prove these two triangles, angle ABD and angle ADC as congruent. So what is given to us? AB is equals to AC, it is given, and we have drawn the bisector. So angle BAB equals to angle BAC, and this side which is AB is common side. So side angle side, by using that property of side angle side congruency, these two triangles, that is triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD by side angle side rule. So we need to prove angle B equals to C, right? So as these two triangles are congruent, then angle ABC and angle CDE are equal, which is we are supposed to prove. हमें ये प्रूव करना था कि एंगल B equals to angle C है. So since these two triangles are congruent, so by corresponding angle of congruent triangles, these two angles are equal. So now we will move to an example. So in triangle ABC, the bisector AD of angle A is perpendicular to side BC, and we have to show that AB equals to AC, and that is triangle ABC is isosceles. So in this triangle, what is given to us? That AD is a bisector of angle A, that is angle BAD and angle DAC are equal, and also it is given that this is a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular, that is AB, B and ADC is 90 degree, both are 90 degree, and this side is common. So if we will prove that these two triangles are congruent, then by CP/CT we can prove AB equals to AC. So how we will proceed? In triangle ABB and triangle ABC, we have AD as a common side, and angle BOD and BAC are equal, as it is given in the question that this AD bisects the angle A. So this is common side, these two angles are equal, and also this is perpendicular, right? So ABB and ADC is 90 degrees. So angle side angle, by using the angle side angle congruency rule, these two triangles, triangle ABB and triangle ABC are congruent. So as these triangles are congruent, so by CP/CT we can prove AB equals to AC, and when AB equals to AC, so these two triangles will be congruent. Then if AB equals to AC, then triangle ABC will be isosceles. So this is what we have written. And triangle ABD and ACD these two angles are equal, as it is given to us that AD bisect angle A. AD is our common side, and it is given that angle ADB and angle ADC equals to 90 degree. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by angle side angle rule. So AB equals to AC by CPCT, or triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now we will move to the next question. E and F are respectively the midpoints of equal sides AB and AC of triangle ABC, and we have to show BF equals to CE. So whenever we have a question, we have to first see the figure and identify what is given to us and what we are supposed to prove and how we can build a relation between the two. So in this question, it is given E and F are midpoints of equal sides of AB and AC of triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, firstly it is given कि AB equals to AC है. Then it is given कि E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC. So AE equals to B and AF equals to FC. Then we have to show that BF, that is this line BF equals to EC. So how we can do it? So in triangle ABF and triangle ACE, AB equals to AC given to us. Angle A is common. So here, triangle ABF and ACE, right? So these are two triangles we will prove congruent. So ABF and ACE, right? So अगर इस दो ट्रायंगल को हम कंसीडर करें, so what is given to us? एंगल A जो है वो दोनों में है, दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में तो कॉमन है. Then it is given to us that these sides AB equals to AC. It is given, right? So we got the things. First, angle A is common, then AB equals to AC. Now, what about the third side? So since it is given कि AB equals to AC, then their halves, that is AF, will also equals to AE, right? क्योंकि अगर AB जो है वो AC के इक्वल है, तो इनका जो हाफ होगा वो भी तो इक्वल होगा, राइट? सो नाउ वी विल बिल्ड अ रिलेशन कि कैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करेंगे. सो दो ट्रायंगल्स है ABF और ACE, जिसमें अगर एंगल एक जो है हमारा कॉमन एंगल है, दिस साइड AE इक्वल्स टू AF है and AB equals to AC है. So by side angle side congruency rule, these two triangles are congruent. We have to prove कि BF जो है वो CE के equal है. So since these two triangles are congruent by side angle side, so by CPCT we can prove BF equals to CE. Now in this question, it is given in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC. Okay, so AB equals to AC, D and E are points on B such that BE equals to CD. Okay, so here it is given BE जो है वो हमारा CD के equal है. Okay, so we have to show that AD equals to A. Okay, so we will use triangle ABD and triangle ACE. AB equals to AC, it is given. Then angle opposite to equal sides are equal, which I taught you in the theorem. So since AB equals to AC, so angle B equals to angle C. Now it is also given B equals to CD, right? So BE equals to CD. So if I minus BE minus DE, then and CD minus DE. So BE minus DE will give me BD, and CD minus D will give me CE, right? अगर ये दोनों इक्वल से उनमें से इक्वल चीज को ही अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो जो रिजल्ट आता है वो भी इक्वल होता है. So BD will equals to CE. So in these two triangles, what is given to us? angle B equals, firstly AB equals to AC, then angle B equals to angle C, and then BD equals to EC. So by side angle side congruency, these two triangles are equal. So by CPCT, AD equals to AE. So now we will do another question. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC, bisector of B and C intersect each other at O. Then we will join A to O and show that OB equals to OC. So what is given to us, that AB equals to AC and the bisector of B and C intersect at each other at O. So, and we have to prove that firstly OB equals to OC, first part. So since AB equals to AC, so angle B equals to angle C. बिकॉज ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स अगर होते हैं तो उनके ऑपोजिट एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं. अगर ए बी ए सी के इक्वल है तो एंगल ए सी बी जो वो ए बी सी के इक्वल होता है. सो एंड इसका जो हाफ है वो भी इक्वल्स होंगे, राइट. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी हैव टू प्रूव ओ बी इक्वल्स टू ओ सी, राइट. अगर हमें पता है कि एंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू एंगल ए सी बी, देन देयर हाफ, दैट इज if you look at this angle OBC and angle OCB, so you will figure out that these are nothing but the halves of the two equals angle, right? So this implies that angle OBC equals to angle OCB. Okay, so if this is the case, then we can use the property that if two angles are equal, then their opposite sides are also equal, which implies OB equals to OC. Second part, we have to prove AO bisect angle A. So basically here AO bisect angle A, that is angle BAO and angle CAO are equal. So how we can prove that? So in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, we will use congruency. So AB equals to AC, it is given to us, and AO is our common side, right? And OB equals to OC we have proved in last part, in part A, right? So by side congruency, these two triangles AOB is congruent to triangle AOC, right? So by CPCT, angle BAO equals to angle CAO, right? So which proves that AO bisect angle A. So student, this is all about today class. If you want to download notes, you can find in description.